Welcome back to the channel. Today we're getting back on the jet ski project, so let's get right on into it. Alright guys, today we're getting back on the jet ski project here. It's been about a week or so. Finally got in some gel coat to work on the scratches and the cracks. Got a new battery, installing it now. Here we're mounting the battery up. There's some straps in here to keep the battery in place in case the jet ski turns over. So that's what we're doing now, is trying to hook the battery cables up and get these straps hooked up. Alright guys, it's actually the next day here. I'm using a pump to pump the old fuel out so we can put some fresh fuel back in. Alright, we got some fresh gas in it, so now it's time to fire it up. I have to use a little bit of starter fluid here on this to prime the fuel system up.
You got water getting out somewhere in there?
Here I noticed the motor had a strange sound right there at the end, so we cut it off. But we're going to stay tuned. We're going to put it in the water in the next episode and try it out. After turning the water off and letting the water run out of the engine, the tone of the engine changed, so I shut it off. So we're going to see what happens. Stay tuned. In the next episode, we're going to put this thing in the water and try it out a little bit, see what it does. There you have it. It runs. So stay tuned. In the next episode, we're going to put this thing in the water and we're going to try it out. And then after that, we're going to work on getting the trailer painted and getting the cracks and the gel coat fixed on the outside. So please stay tuned. Give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for the next episode.